It's a game.
And they ask me who I do it for. Yeah. Why shine? Why go?
Are you a Dunkin's donut girl or Starbucks girl? What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome to my social media. Because I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I've been wrecking my brain trying to figure out what is the best intro, and I can't come up with anything, so I'm just gonna come on here as I am until I figure it out. But tonight I am going to be making kind of like a kickin' chicken sandwich that you would get from Zaxby's, and then I'm gonna also do some cheese fries on the side. I have to go to Publix to get just a couple of things, but that's it, so stay tuned, guys. To any vloggers out there, when you first started, did you have a hard time learning to film landscape style? Is that right? I'm sure that's right. Because I'm having the hardest time ever holding my camera like this. Because who the fuck holds their camera like this? But y'all, for real, I gotta stop holding my camera. Y'all know when you rest your phone on your pinky, you guys probably can't see it, but it's getting kind of dark right there from continuously holding the phone and not going for none of that. No. So let me know if my volume is good enough for you guys, if this is a good volume to be talking at, because my son is asleep, so I'm definitely trying not to wake him. All new moms or old moms, all moms know that feeling, okay? But I'm definitely not trying to wake him up. So this is kind of like my inside voice, because normally I'm loud as fuck. As anyone since becoming an adult have been in a dilemma, like, I don't know who I am. And not just like you don't know yourself, but you don't know the self that you are willing to portray or let others see, your one true self that only you are in tune with. Yeah, trying to figure that out. You know, it's very hard, not even just hard, but it's just different when you're not in school anymore. You don't just have people constantly beating you down for being who you are. Being an adult comes with the freedom to be who you are freely, you know? I know y'all probably tired of me rambling, so I'm gonna stop. So if you're here for the food, stay tuned. If you're not here for the food, stay tuned. And if you hear something else, just stay tuned, because I'm coming with all that. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a quick refrigerator check. Not too much now. Okay, you guys, we got the Mott's apple juice, got the half-filled orange juice, tuna, some spinach, something I cooked the other day. We really ain't got too much of shit. Freezer food. Y'all see something y'all like, let me know. I'm sending it through the mail. Packing the mail is gone. When y'all baby sleep, do y'all, and y'all need to go to the store, do you let them sleep, or do you wake them up so they can go to the store too? Do you leave them at home with the other parent, or do you put them in the car and they stay asleep the whole time in the store? I know that shit don't ever happen for me. I just gotta ask y'all, am I doing a good job so far? Okay, I know that outside validation is unnecessary, but I'm always open to constructive criticism, so y'all tell me what you want. When you ain't got no trash bags, but you finna move soon, so you ain't buying shit. I just look like Skin Keisha, don't y'all? Do you guys want to come to the store with me? Come on. So you guys, quick intermission. As I was on my way outside to go to the store, my car wouldn't crank. Not sure what's going on. I hope that the problem gets resolved, and I'll keep you guys updated, so stay tuned. Look who's awake. Say hey. Hey guys, I'm not gonna turn my flash on because I'm bald right now, and that's just not the look. But don't you hate, or doesn't it just bother you when you just gotta pretend like shit is okay when shit not okay, or you feel like you gotta pretend because you don't want other people to know that you're not feeling okay and shit? But fuck that, I'm tired of pretending. Okay, and now I'm stressed the fuck out. Gotta figure out how the fuck I'm gonna get a car. Like, who the fuck got time to be pretending that shit not stressing them the fuck out? I'm stressed.